Hi, cutie boy. What'd you do? Did you stand up there all on your own? Did you stand up there all on your own? What are you gonna do now? What do you think you'll do now? What do you think you'll do now? Hi, can you say hi? Hi. Hi. You're gonna have to let yourself fall on your tush, aren't you? That's the hard part. I know you can do it though. I know you can do it though. Your mama's gonna move this. Oh. Then you can just fall on your tush. You can do it. Oh, there you go. There you go. You did it, though. You did it. Oh, baby boy, you did it. It's okay. It's okay. That was really good. That was really good. Oh, see? It's okay. It's okay. Mama's proud of you. Mama's proud of you. Good job. Good job. Ah, where's my smile? There you are. It's okay. Oh.